Okay, so welcome to the first lecture of this Canva masterclass, and the first lecture is going to be an overview and introduction to Canva. So when you sign up for the first time, you this dashboard will come in front of you. On the left hand side, we have this tab, and when you click on the second tab, we have the projects. All your designs, all your previous designs, all your recent designs will be visible here. Here on the sub tab, we have a folders tab. When you are working for multiple brands, you have to store the designs in such a way. Like for example, I worked on a design 1 year ago, and I want to find it. So how I'm going to find it? So I will create folders over here, and I will store these files according to the name, according to the keyword, so I can find them easily. Then we have designs. All your designs will be visible here. Then we have images, all the images which you have uploaded from your device, from Google or from any other website will be visible here. Then we have videos, all the uploaded videos will be available here. Then we have the third tab that is templates tab. All the pre-built Canva templates will be visible here. For example, if I write holy, all the holy templates will be visible to me. Then you can also apply a filter. For example, if I apply a video landscape filter, then I can see all the videos in the landscape form. All the video templates will be visible to me. Then the fourth tab is the brand kit. This is amazing feature of Canva when you want to work very quick, very fast, and for a particular brand. So every brand has a brand kit, like the colors they use, the text they use, the elements they use, the logo of that brand. So this will make the work much faster. This will be covering in the further details in the further lectures in detail. Then we have apps tab. So Canva in itself is not a complete tool. There are many things which there are many restrictions which you cannot do in Canva. For example, you cannot add a gradient text in Canva. So we have a app. By the way, these are free apps from which you can add gradient text. You can for mockups we have different app. For different textiles we have different. For subtitles, for AI avatar, for text, for filter. So many. So for example, Canva doesn't have this feature from which we can blend two images together. Photoshop has, but Canva doesn't. So we have a image blender app for that. So this also we will be covering in detail in the further lectures. Classwork is only for Canva for education. And then we have Dreamlab. Dreamlab is Canva's own AI image generation tool. Yes. So if you have Canva Pro, you will get 500 free 500 credits for a month. We have a text box over here. Then we have a image, so you can add an image, and if I have an image and I want the colors and the style of that image to be replicated in my current image generation, so you can add an image. Then we have a style for an image like a vector illustration, a realistic image. Then we have the aspect ratio. This is pretty good. I will, but the Canva's AI image generation tool is not good with the text. So I will give like 5 or 6 out of 10. Then we go again, then we go back to the home page. And here on the home page, we have what's new, all the updates and all the new templates will be visible here. Then if we scroll down, you can see the recent designs. And then on the left hand side, we have a create design. So we can on the left hand side, there is for you, like uh, referring to my past designs, past templates. Canva will show you something related to your search. Okay, so on the left hand side, we have some docs. You can create Word document, you can create PDF presentations. Then we have a whiteboard. Whiteboard is an amazing tool in Canva. In whiteboard, you have this infinite space where you and your team can work together, or you and your team can plan together. You can create mind maps. This is also an amazing feature. Then we have presentation. Canva's presentation is amazing. We will be covering this in detail. Very important and very good tool. Then we have social media, different aspect ratio for social media. You just name it: Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, TikTok, YouTube, LinkedIn. For different social media, different aspect ratios. Then we have videos: Instagram story, YouTube video, Instagram reel, your story. Then we have printables. You can also create posters, business card, and many more with Canva. Then we have website. Canva's website is amazing. Like if you have a pre-built template, you can publish, you can make your website live under 5 minutes. You don't even need a domain to make it live to publish your own website. So this also will be covering in detail. Okay, so for now, we will choose a Instagram square aspect ratio. And okay, so here we have this main canvas, our main canvas, where all our designs, all our elements, all our images will be in this canvas. Anything outside this canvas not available. Okay, so on the left hand side we have a design. All your pre-built templates will be available here, and yes, you can directly take these templates and start editing over here. And if we go to the elements tab, all the elements, like if I example, if I search holy, all your graphics, your stock photos, your stock videos, all the audio, shapes, frames, mockups, charts, we will be covering this in detail when we are going to design something. Then we have text. You can add a text box, you can search fonts and combinations over here, you can add your heading, you can upload, also you can upload your own font over here. Then yes, we have some apps, for example, as I told you, for gradient text, for a different style of text, we have different apps that are pre-built font combinations given over here. You can, as I said, you can directly take this and you can start editing in this. Okay, then we have a brand kit. We will be covering this in detail. Then we have uploads. You can upload your files from your device directly to this. Okay, you can upload videos, audios. Then there is draw option. If you want to draw something from your own, you can draw. Then there are projects. Of course, you can, if you want some element or some text from your previous designs, you can take it from your previous projects. Then we have apps. Don't worry, we'll be covering this in detail. There are many AI apps available in Canva recently. With the boom of AI, try off outfits on virtually by merging images together. You can do many more things on Canva. Then we have photos. These are the stock images, backgrounds. While Create is also an amazing feature of Canva. Then we have Translate. Then we have charts, different types of charts: pie chart, area chart, magic media. You can create your own image, you can create your own graphics, you can create your own videos. We got 50 credits and this will refresh every month. Then these are the apps which I've used recently, and this was the basic overview. And then on the left hand side on the top we have no, we have this file option where you can, you know the same option, upload files. Then we have settings. We will be going this in detail when we will when we will actually design some templates. Then save. Okay, so we have a version history, a feature in Canva. For example, if I designed something previously on the last day and I've made changes. So I want to go to that version which I edited the last day, and I can do that with Canva. So this is also an amazing tool. Move to trash, find and replace text, open on desktop, suggest improvement, report design. Then we have editing. This is the privacy. When you are sharing this design to someone, you can control like what they can do. Only comment, only viewing. Then on the right we have this the name of the file. So for now I will write something like first design, anything, the news or something. You can also share, there are this analytics, how many people, how many visitors are there for this template. Then we have commenting, like okay, in Canva you can work with your team together on a single design in real time. Like if I'm sharing this to my friend, he can make changes in the real time. He can also suggest some comments. For example, if I add a comment like like change color, and I just enter, and this will be visible to my comments, and I can resolve this. I can chat with them. I can review the status again. Then we have also the people with access. You can share this design with a particular person. For example, Prabhat Parmar, my friend of mine, I can just share this design and done. Then we have a share option. Okay, so the first link, collaboration link, if I want to share this to a particular group where I want people to view this design, so I can directly copy this link and I can just paste it to my WhatsApp group, and everyone on the on that group with this link can view this design and can suggest comments. And then we have the download option. There are many file type in Canva, you name it: MP4, GIF, PowerPoint, SVG, PDF, JPG, and many more. Okay, then you can control the size. You, if you want a transparent background, if you want to limit a size to a particular KB or MB, you can also compress the file. Then you can just click to download and the file will get downloaded to your device. Then we have public view link, print with Canva, LMS assignment, Google Classroom, Microsoft Teams, copy to clipboard, present. You can create a QR code of your design. You can move to a folder. You can embed this. You can get a HTML code and embed this in your website. You can publish this as a website. You can send to your phone, and many more tools, many more tools. Okay, so this was a basic overview of Canva. Here you can zoom, you can directly zoom if you press Control and scroll from your mouse. You can directly zoom it from here. Then we have a grid view. Then of course you can have this in a full screen. Then okay, if you want to ask something to Canva, the Canva AI, if you have any doubts. Okay, so that, I think that's it for the introduction. Here we have a log duplicate page. You can add page from here. You can duplicate the same page. Okay, okay. I guess that's it for the first lecture. If you have any doubts, any suggestion, drop in the comment section, and I will see you in the next lecture.